One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it. Let's talk about Uber limiting drivers' upfront info due to low AR. What? That kind of
Yeah,
goes in the face of this
yeah,
upfront fares and upfront destination and upfront knowing. You're able to see the upfront information right away. So that
yeah,
means you can say this ride is crap or this ride is awesome. And then you can accept or deny based on that criteria. And it
yeah,
says acceptance rate doesn't matter. So what the
yeah.
hell's going on here, Sergio?
I got you know how it goes, right? When emails go off crazy. But I had also already seen this on Twitter, on X. Why do I keep saying Twitter? On X, from one of our audience members who's here more often is so Uber was not hiding. Uber were not showing the upfront fares and destination UFT, right? They were not showing anything. It was just a screen says this minute's away. I'm going like, so this driver immediately emailed me. He goes, Sergio, after declining a few garbage rides, paying $9 per hour in Coral Gables, Florida, this morning, Uber removed all pickup, drop-off, time, distance, and pay from my request this morning and started sending me shared rides with multiple pickups and drop-offs.
Oh, you're going in timeout.
Timeout is right. I reached out to support. See, he missed saying black hole to support. And they said that's because my acceptance rate fell below 75%. They will no longer provide me with ride information. Is that something you're seeing in other cities? I'm going like, holy shit, here we go again. And then he went to support, and this is what the AI chatbot said. The details are are eligible for gold, platinum, and diamond drivers. Gold, platinum, or diamond drivers will be able to see, this is from Uber, these additional details on all trips. You are on your way to obtaining gold status. So cheerio. It's like, so this is from the chatbot, and of course I tweeted it out. Okay, immediately within I
Well,
don't know.
well, you
So
know what? Honestly, I don't know, but I'll tell you what. If this is something that they're working on to try to like combat their AR, that's a problem. But it sounds like, let's be real, Uber is a glitch company. They have glitches up the ass. And it sounds like this is something where there was a glitch. And, when they go to chat, the chat bot doesn't know the distinction between upfront fares and those with rate cards still, because that's the exact comments that you would get for a rate card answer versus upfront fare.
yeah.
So, I mean, I'm trying to give them the benefit of the doubt here.
Well, no, this
Hopefully
has a
that's
happy
all it is.
ending. This has a happy ending. I'm
Oh, it
glad to
does?
say.
Oh, okay. What's
Yeah, it
up?
does. So I tweeted it out and I sent it in to Uber. And within, I don't know, literally 10 minutes later, I got an email saying, hey, nothing like this is going on. There's a glitch. We're trying to fix it. We're not taking away the upfront fares. We're not doing any of that. I go, well, what about the support comment? Because obviously that agent was not trained properly. I'm going like, that's no agent. That's AI chatbot. You didn't feed the right information to your AI chatbot to come up with poor driver who's panicking now, can't see where the heck he's going, And I'm glad to say that driver emailed me about an hour before the show. Say, Serge, thank you so much. Everything is back in order. I'm seeing the UFD information on all my trips. So thank you, Uber. See, this is how we do it. We can just work together a little bit and then make everybody's lives better. But I'm always on your case, so don't worry about it. And you know who you are. So. But anyway, so we fixed something good. See, it worked out for Uber and it worked out for the drivers.
Right. Well, yeah. So I guess that's the problem. But
Glitch
gotta love
game.
those glitches. Gotta love those glitches.
Yeah, I don't know what to say. Yeah, there's always glitches. Anyway, so.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.